If you are a homeowner and you're planning to move home but you're tied into a fixed rate, today I'm going to talk to you about a few of the options that you should be considering when you're looking to move home. So the first thing that I'd like to make you aware of is if you are tied into a fixed rate deal, it's likely that you've got early repayment charges to pay to come out of that deal early. So what you should be doing is exploring the option of porting your mortgage. Porting will allow you to retain the mortgage, take it with you to a new home, and avoid the early repayment charges or reduce the early repayment charges. This is available not with every lender, not with every deal, but the deals out there might be the deal that you're on might allow you to do this. So it's really, really important that you explore this option before going to the market and paying any fees. But once you've explored that and established if that's going to be an option for you, you can then look at the market and see what your alternative options are. Once you've explored the market, you've compared what it would cost to stay with your existing lender, you would compare what it would cost to move lender. Kind of things to consider is the difference in monthly costs, difference in overall costs, charges up front to come out of your deal, etc. And once you've compared all of this and you're looking at the true cost of it, that's when you would know what the right decision is. When you use a mortgage broker, for example, for a client coming to me, I would do these checks before agreeing to move them lender or before agreeing to stay with the existing lender. I would get all of these checks done for them. Now, really, really important, make sure that you're checking those kind of things out. But that's it from today. Just a little quick video on moving home and porting your mortgage. As always, if you've got any questions, fire them in the comments. I'd be happy to answer them. Cheers.